Hello everyone. In this video we're going to be showing you how we made this no-melt ice cream for the horror comedy film Ice Cream, directed by Jordan Belts and Carly Coulihan. You can learn more about the film at the Instagram page posted here. The first step we did was to make a quick design in Photoshop to have a rough idea of what color that we wanted the ice cream to be. Then, the next step was to take lightweight spackle from the dollar store. We used an old crafting spoon and bowl to mix it together. We slowly introduced paint until we received the color that we wanted. After mixing tan liquid latex house paint with red acrylic paint to get a peachy skin tone, we moved on to the next step. We then used an ice cream scooper to put this fake ice cream into an ice cream cone. Then we added the fake plastic teeth sprinkles that we had made in a previous video. We will link this video down below. After the sprinkles were glued on, I went back in with a brighter pink color acrylic paint onto the ice cream and also mixed red paint with fake blood and E6000 glue gel to make blood and guts as a topping for ice cream. This is the final piece for the horror comedy prop ice cream. Be sure to check out the Instagram for the film ice cream. We hope you enjoy. Thank you all. Excelsior.